everyone! In this video, we will learn the correct order of operations in math. The GMDAS rule or GMDAS rule is a guideline for the order of operations in math, used to determine which operation should be performed first in mathematical expression. GMDAS stands for G for grouping symbols. We have the parentheses, the bracket, and the braces. Next, we have M. M is multiplication. D is division. A is addition. And S is subtraction. The GMDAS rule or GMDAS rule tells us the order to follow when solving math problems with main steps. Number 1. G. Do what's inside grouping symbols first, like the parentheses, the brackets, and braces, beginning with the innermost pair. Second, M and D. M stands for multiplication, D for division. Then do multiplication or division from left to right. And number 3, we have A and S. A is addition, S is subtraction. Then do addition or subtraction also from left to right. Again, we just follow the order G, M, D, A, S. Again, we have the groupings. Okay, multiply or divide. And add, subtract. Okay, so let's have an example. Number 1. We are given the expression 14 plus 8 divided by 2 times 5. According to the GMDAS rule, G again stands for grouping symbols, which is none in this example. M and D, which is multiplication and division, and we're going to perform it from left to right. Again, AS, addition and subtraction, also from left to right. Now we have the steps for the solution. Number 1, let's start with division. Okay, let's divide 8 divided by 2. So we have 14 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 5. The next step, do the multiplication, which is 4 times 5. So the expression becomes 14 plus 4 times 5 is 20. And finally, we do addition. So we add 14 plus 20 equals 34. So the final answer is 34. Okay, remember, even if multiplication comes before division in the acronym, you must solve multiplication and division from left to right as they appear. So the same goes for addition and subtraction. And now let's have example number 2. We have the following expression, or the quantity of 7 plus 9 divided by 2 minus 3. Let's first solve the operation inside the parentheses, which is the groupings, or the grouping symbol, which is parentheses. Add the numbers inside the parentheses. So we have 7 plus 9. The result is 16 divided by 2 minus 3. Next, we're going to divide the result by 2, which is 16 divided by 2. The answer is 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And the next operation is subtraction. So we have S, or we're going to subtract 8 minus 3. It is equal to 5. Again, the final answer is 5. We have our next example, example number 3. Our expression is 120 divided by the quantity of 50 minus 20 plus 53. Again, we follow the GMDAS rule. First, we're going to solve the operation inside the parentheses. Subtract numbers inside the parentheses. So 50 minus 20. It becomes 120 divided by 50 minus 20 is 30 plus 53. Next, the next step is to divide. 120 divided by 30 is 4. And we have 4 plus 53. We add 4 and 53. The answer is 57. So the final answer is 57. Next, for example number 4. The given expression is 85 minus 20 plus 5 divided by 4. We have no grouping symbol here, so let's proceed to multiply or multiplication symbol, so which is 20 times 5. Okay, first step is to multiply 20 and 5. The answer is 85 minus 20 times 5 is 100 divided by 4. Okay, and the next is D, which is divide. Okay, we rewrite 85 and then 100 divided by 4 equals 25. And then the next one is subtraction. So we subtract 85 and 25. Therefore, 85 minus 25, the answer is 60. And the final answer is 60. Next, for example number 5. In this example, again, using the GMDAS rule, we solve the operation inside the innermost parenthesis, which is 96 divided by 6. Again, the first step is to perform operation inside the parenthesis, which is 96 divided by 6. The answer is 16 minus 7 times 10. And then the next step is to subtract numbers inside the bracket. So the numbers inside the brackets are 16 and 7. So 16 minus 7 is 9 times 10. Then for the final solution, final step, we multiply 9 and 10. So 9 times 10 equals 90. So the final answer is 90. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from what was shared in this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means a lot and keeps this channel going. Thank you!